Hello, welcome back. So I bought 6 Lego minifigure series 29 sets. So first I've got the cute witch and the soccer player, or maybe the goalkeeper. Anyway, I also have the boba tea and scuba diver. And okay, let's put the scuba diver over here because I just have 6, not 12. And the tuba player and also this chocolatier looks so cute, right? So the reason why I just bought 6 is because the other 6 I didn't really like that much. So anyway, first for the cute witch. So this is my favorite. So it has a really cute hat, witch hat like this, like purple one, and she has like short sky blue hair, and of course she has like 2 faces. So if I turn her head like this, she's winking like this. So cute, right? And she's also holding a magic wand, which looks cute, and her outfit looks really nice. Her outfit doesn't really look like a witch, to be honest, and she's wearing like really cute shoes or maybe socks. Kind of looks like maybe fox or maybe cat. But anyway, her shoes are so cute, and there's also a gray cat included with her. So the next is the boba tea, which looks so cute, right? But I was a little bit surprised that if you take this one out, she's basically just wearing pink clothes. Anyway, on the top it's a little bit glittery color. So her clothes are rather simple, and she also has 2 faces, and I love the sunglass face. And she's holding a cherry, so maybe it's a cherry flavored boba tea. So this is the tuba player. So we have a gigantic tuba over here, which looks cute, and there's like number 7 written inside the tuba. Anyway, this is his hat. Looks quite fancy, and I was a little bit disappointed that he just has 1 face, but his face, like he's like seems like he's running out of breath, seems quite cute, and his outfit is also really fancy with like golden decorations. So I love his costume, and this is the goalkeeper. I think probably it's the goalkeeper. So it has like number 1, and so he also has 2 faces. So he's number 1, and it's quite funny because we can see a little bit of his beard at the back as well. So he has a soccer ball over here like this. Cute, right? I love watching like soccer these days because it's like World Cup season. So anyway, this is the chocolatier, and she is wearing really nice clothes with like this brown colored apron, and I love that face with her tongue out trying to concentrate. But this face seems rather similar to this one. Oh, maybe no, not that one, this one. Yeah, this boba tea and the chocolatier has really similar faces, almost the same, I think. But anyway, so this one has like this really nice face, which I just love, and her head, like her hair and this hat looks so cute too. So this is where she's going to squeeze out the chocolate and make this chocolate dragon, which is really impressive because it looks really awesome. Yeah, so this is the chocolatier, and I love that face. So cute, right? So now let's see the last one that I bought, which is the scuba diver. Looks so wonderful, right? And so she's also wearing these things that supports you swimming, and she is kind of like noting stuff about fishes, and her swimming costume looks really nice too. There's like a zipper at the back, and she also has 2 faces, and she's wearing like these goggle things, and she has long like brown hair, brown with a little bit like orange mixed sort of hair, and there's a really cute fish with her, and that pink leafy thing looks also really nice. So I have 6 minifigures, and they all look so cute. Yeah, so they all look so nice, and I will come back with other Lego videos, and I can't wait to see what they're making for series 30. I am so excited to see what they're making for 30. So anyway, this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.